Meghalaya Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma emphasized the transformative power of education at the closing ceremony of Nongtalang Government Secondary School's Golden Jubilee celebration. The event was held yesterday and was attended by MLA Lakman Rimboy and Joint Director of School Education and Literacy, APCM, among others. Sangma encouraged students to leverage natural intelligence and not rely solely on technology or artificial intelligence. He warned that AI poses a significant challenge and urged students and teachers to prepare children to excel in this landscape. The celebration honored 7 former SMC members, 3 former teachers and outstanding students.
The teachers of today must prepare our young children so that our natural intelligence are higher than the artificial intelligence, and the artificial intelligence, the artificial science must substantiate rather than substitute to the students of today.
The Reach Shillong Ministry